Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It is your girl Rejoice here. As always, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. If you are new here, my name is Rejoice. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell to all, like this video, share this video with friends and family, and leave your comments at the comment section after watching this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Today guys, we'll be traveling to Lagos by train. Right now I'm on my way to train station. Normally I prefer bike, but because I couldn't get bike on time today, I decided to use the Micra from Ojo to Moniya. So right now I'm on my way to Moniya roundabout. Getting to Moniya final stop for Micra, I took a bike to the train station which cost me 200 naira. Getting to the train station, the new development about Ibadan train station is food is available for travelers early in the morning and everywhere really looks clean. Now let's go get the tickets. Beautiful people, here's the good news. The train travels twice a day, 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. every day except Sundays, and the ticket price remains the same. For standard is 2,500, business class is 5,000 naira, and first class is 6,000 naira. And immediately after paying for my tickets, I registered and moved to the next building.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm already at the train station right now and I'm heading to Lagos, and honestly I'm so glad to see the developments here. I'm so glad. Like, everything is in order right now, even though they are yet to complete the projects, but I still feel like, yeah, they are doing a great job. So right now we are sitting here waiting for the train.
A few moments later.
So beautiful people, it is time for us to board now. So we are leaving.
While on the queue, I saw almost everyone holding Nescafe bottle, and I keep wondering where they got it from.
Good morning. How much? Oh yeah, give me one. How much is gala? Okay, oh yeah. Sharp. here. You guys say I too like food. Oh, I'm still looking for my seats. So now we move on to eat. I cannot my life.
So now I'm done eating. I want to edit. I have videos to edit. I don't want to just sit down and be staring up and down. So let's work.
I'm at Chicken Republic right now. I just want to have my proper breakfast because I'm hungry. After that, I will update you, and I'm yet to finish up with the editing. So I think I might need to sit here first, edit, upload here. I'll proceed. Yeah,
So I ordered for chicken wrap and it was bad. I couldn't eat it. So I ordered for rice and salad and chicken and it was okay. So that was it about my journey to Lagos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Bye.